Fresh and creative office furniture is what the Austrian producer Hali stands for. And the office furniture producer is treading new and creative paths in production too. 48 million variations in 15 workdays. Production procedure in batch size 1 without operators. Labelless production. And the shortest setup gap in the world. That was the vision. For this vision there was only one partner, the HOMAG Group, and their specialists for unique system solutions. With the company HOMAG as our partner, we found someone who is willing to develop concepts together with the customer, even items that do not exist yet. If the company HOMAG can see that something will make sense for the future, then the company HOMAG is willing to develop such things. That was necessary. Thus, we found a partner right at the beginning of the process for the complete production line, which has been implemented in steps over the last 4 years, both for the technical equipment as well as for the software sector. These developments were made, for example, in the production instrumentation and control package by HOMAG IT Engineering. Using innovative software solutions, it was possible to do without otherwise complex labeling of the workpieces. The highly dynamic Backstedt panel store TLF 411, with a capacity of 4,000 panels and its patented storage optimization IntelliStore, makes sure the Holzmar combi line is fed. The saw can perform post cuts fully automatically with only a minimum of waste. A further speciality, Backstedt's isolation buffer TLB 210. It has a capacity of 2 hours for layer production and makes sure that all parts are driven into the HOMAG U line in an optimum way. One of the high-tech system's absolute highlights is the shortest setup gap in the world. Regardless which part format is being produced, all units have a maximum setup time of 1.5 seconds. The system's speed and flexibility for banding is unequaled today. The Backstedt Commissioner TLB 320 is a highly dynamic construction parts store that is one of the quickest and most effective in the world. The construction parts store has 5 storage lanes and a capacity for 6,000 parts in a storage area of 6.4 kilometers. The shelf system is for buffering and commissioning the construction parts for the respective assembly lines. Vertical and horizontal drilling, milling, driving dowels and connecting fittings are performed by the Vieke ABH 100 with the dynamic collared chuck, absolutely safely and precisely. Together with the HOMAG Group system specialists, the office furniture producer Hali has managed to achieve a 30% rise in capacity using the new high-tech system and the same amount of personnel. Together with the company HOMAG and together with my employees, we let this idea of a complete piece of art develop, and it is really pleasing when, after a process time of 4 years, it's possible to experience that everything one imagined before has been implemented and that it works. And that is what the company Hali is definitely proud of, and so am I. This is batch size 1 production for the future.